doing out there? It's Darnaya Darice with another video. Okay, this time with the hair video. As you see, my hair is blown out. I blew it out today. Yes, the crown, the mane is living. Okay, y'all, when I tell you, like, I'm loving my hair. Okay, so I just came today to show you some different looks or styles that I would do with my type hair. My type hair is very kinky, coily. It is a type 4. It is coerced. I can be tender-headed sometimes. If you see the light changes, my studio got a little purple blue going on. Got blue light. Yes. Come on with the light change. No, let me stop playing. Y'all know, if y'all don't know me, I'm a little silly, but okay. But you know, I want to show you a little different styles you can do with blowout. Now, my hair comes to about, I don't know if you see it, comes midway down the back. All right, so let's get into what style I will wear or how you can style your hair. Now, my length is pretty long, but I would actually wear it like this out when I go to the gas station, grocery store. I will wear it out. Believe it or not, you know, I'll wear it like this. Tell me about it. Ends and all. Why not? Okay, I will wear it like this and flick it with no problem. Okay, sisters, I'm telling you, love the skin you're in. It took me a long time to get here. It took me a long time to keep bringing you videos. I take more pictures now, and that's because I love the skin I'm in. I'm confident. I never really wore makeup. I never got into the makeup thing. I like to show my authentic self, my face. I feel like if you love me for me, which my husband does, my family do, well, you know, you will see the natural beauty, and that's what I hope to encourage other women to just get into loving themselves, loving who they are. Okay, because if you love yourself, you can love others, you can support others, but first you need to do all that for yourself. Okay, but anyway, I will wear my hair like this, or sometimes I do like to flick it to the side. Tell me this hair is it's white, literally. No, but you know, I will wear it to the side like this. Okay, capture it. Yes, all right, so I would wear it out like this, just plain Jane. Let's see how we do with it. I have worn this style where it's sort of like half up. Okay, so let's get that. If you don't know, y'all, if you can't tell, if my hair is not detangled, then take it out right there. Oh, we got with the new look on the spot. Alright. Sis, we came up with a new look on the spot. Okay, this is cute. I shall leave it like this. Huh. Yes, I shall leave it like this. I'm gonna sleep with it like this. I am. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I just wanted to show you a couple looks on how it would look on my hair and my type hair, and you see what I'm working with, what I have to deal with. But I absolutely love it. I love these two poofs. I'm about to take a picture. Okay. But thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, share. Let me know what style you would like to see on my hair. Send me a picture of it or video of it. I would try to do it. See how it turned out. I can twist, I can braid. So I do my kids' hair as well. And I can braid my own hair. I've been braiding my own hair since I was middle school, high school. I would literally braid and twist my whole hair. I have a back mirror. You know what I'm talking about. Back mirror, look in the mirror, make sure the part is straight. But let me know if you want to see mini twists on my hair, box of braids, what style you like to see, and I'll try to do it so you can kind of get an idea what it looks like. If you know what products, if you want to know what products I use or what works best for me, let me know, like, comment, share, and I will give you that information as well. You can inbox me. I'm totally cool with it. But when it comes to products, it's more been of a trial and error for me. Because I have low porosity hair, my hair does not hold moisture. That all thing right now is moisturized. When you feel it, you can feel it's very soft right now. But I have to constantly either wash, condition, deep condition. I deep condition at least twice a month, which is basically every other week. And then I just wash and I always do a leave-in, no matter if I'm deep conditioned or not. After I shampoo. But let me know. Join my sisterhood if you haven't already. Go to YouTube, like, comment, and share. Once again, go to Facebook, Darnaya Darice. Go to Instagram, I am Darnaya Darice. Go to Twitter if you're on Twitter, Darnaya Darice. If you're looking for uplifting words, I'm always looking to uplift my sisters out there, motivate you, inspire you. Remember to always love yourself, encourage yourself, and until next time, keep rising. Hey.